Okay, I had to unplug the keyboard because she, or you, whoever's watching this, keeps hitting the buttons and stops the thing from recording. So, I just want to get on tape. She totally freaks out with the keyboard. We'll set this over here. Oh, well there you go. Good spot for it. Get the keyboard. Get it. Get it. Oh. Okay, we kept going. What are you doing? What are you gonna type? Type a letter. Here, let's get this view. Her just totally beating the crud out of everything. Oh! So you just can't rip it off the desk. Rip it off the desk! Let's see if we can get the face of this. I'm never going to tap this camera as soon as I set it down. No. Oh, that's a good move there. I didn't even know I did that. Tight. Get off me, Daddy! Let's put the headsets on you. Even though we probably couldn't even hear us. What? Here, you're gonna love this. Get the cables right on it. Let's put your headset on. Oh, don't like that, do we? Boop, boop, boop. Ooh. Ooh. See you on TV? Look. Look. Look right there. That's you. Oh, it's okay. Someone's sleepy. Now let's stop this. Oh, I broke it. Say bye. Bye. Oh.